This is very interesting news coming in from Iraq.
Iraq is sending a message, and this time it's flying overhead. In a move that signals both military confidence and political independence, Iraq has successfully tested a Chinese-made strike drone at the strategic Ain al-Assad air base. The test comes shortly after coalition forces completed their withdrawal from the facility, leaving the base fully under Iraqi control. During the live-fire exercise, the CH-5 drone launched rockets at designated targets inside the nearby Al-Tash training zone. Iraqi officials reported that the strikes were highly accurate, demonstrating the system's effectiveness and its growing role in the country's defense strategy. This is more than just a weapons test. It represents a turning point in how Iraq plans to secure its borders, monitor threats, and project power within its own territory. The demonstration was overseen by Iraq's top military leadership, reinforcing the message that Baghdad intends to take full responsibility for its national defense going forward. The CH-5 drone itself is no small addition. Analysts often compare it to the American MQ-9 Reaper. It is designed for long-range surveillance and strike missions, capable of flying for extended periods and carrying multiple precision weapons. For Iraq, that means greater ability to track militant activity, monitor remote regions, and respond quickly when threats emerge. But the timing of this test may be the most important detail. By showcasing a Chinese-supplied drone just weeks after regaining control of Ain al-Assad, Iraq appears to be signaling a shift in how it balances relationships with global powers. Instead of relying on a single security partner, Baghdad seems to be expanding its options while strengthening its own military autonomy.
For regional observers, this raises new questions. Is Iraq entering a phase where it stands more independently on the global stage?
Will this move reshape security dynamics in the Middle East?
And how will major powers respond as Iraq deepens ties beyond its traditional alliances?
One thing is clear: Iraq is no longer just reacting to regional events, it is positioning itself to shape them. Stay tuned, because what happens next could influence not only Iraq's security future, but the balance of power across the region. If you want deeper analysis on Iraq's economic moves, currency outlook, and geopolitical strategy, make sure to subscribe and keep watching.